This bright red Spanish sauce is so flavorful, people think it takes hours to make, but it's ready in minutes and can transform almost anything you eat. 1 cup roasted red bell peppers, 1/2 cup roasted almonds, 2 tablespoons toasted breadcrumbs, 2 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. Add 1 cup roasted red bell peppers to a food processor. Add 1/2 cup roasted almonds and 2 tablespoons toasted breadcrumbs. Drop in 2 garlic cloves, pour in 2 tablespoons olive oil and 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar. Add 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. For a little heat, add 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. Blend everything for 30 seconds until smooth but slightly textured. Your authentic Spanish Romesco sauce is ready, rich, smoky, nutty and incredibly flavorful. Would you use Romesco sauce on grilled chicken, vegetables or sandwiches? Comment your choice below and see if your pick is the most popular one.